What's up, friends and family? This is Jay War. I am beginning a vlog, 31-day vlog. Don't wait to be great, dominate, okay? Let me share the purpose of this vlog. The purpose of this vlog is really just to share the day-to-day process of an average car salesperson with other people in sales, specifically car sales. But as viewers tune in, I think that the audience will really work itself out, okay? What's unique about this 31-day vlog and why I am beginning it and what it's going to consist of? Well, basically, the uniqueness of it is I'm going to give myself another level of discipline. I'm putting myself on a regimen of getting to the dealership early, okay? So my plan is to upload every vlog every day by 7:45 a.m. So this will take place throughout all 31 days in the month of August 2022, okay? And then going into really just what are we going to talk about? Basically, I'm going to go over just my practical strategy, just my mindset, right? What happened on the previous day? What is my mindset going into today? As I go into a day of sales, what am I doing to prepare? And how am I thinking through situations every single day? I'm going to give actual scenario situations of dealing with certain customers and just how did that work out between myself, the customer, how did it work out between myself, management, and really just sharing some level of transparency. Listen, really the purpose of this vlog is not so much for me to accomplish this great massive amount of sales this month, but I feel like I have to be intentional on the title. I have to be intentional on the objective. So hey, why not give the objective in the title, don't wait to be great, dominate. Use it as an opportunity. Give myself some extra discipline, okay? But really, I'm just revealing kind of the sales process from my personal life. I have been in car sales now since January 2021. It is cool. Obviously, I'm in it still, right? So I'm doing okay. I'm nobody special. Look, I'm average. I'm just your average car sales person, okay? I work out of Covington, Louisiana, Eddie Terrell's North Park Nissan, okay? I deal with new and I deal with pre-owned inventory. So make sure, go to the YouTube channel, it's probably J space War space Autos. That's JWARAUTOS. Or you possibly may be able, depending on how the search engine optimization is right now, type it in all together, JWARAUTOS. So video will be uploaded to the YouTube channel every single day. I don't really do TikTok, but I do plan on uploading a video to TikTok as well. And that is also JWARAUTOS, J War Autos. So starting off, I will see you all tomorrow, 7:45 a.m. Central Time.